Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students of 8th class. Today I'm going to teach you the topic hockey part C, D, E of the exercise. Okay, first of all we are to discuss about the part C. Use a thesaurus to find alternative words to write into these species. Read the passage first. Just like these are the species and we are to write the alternative words. You can say the synonyms, or in simple English you can say that similar words are written there. Okay, for example, Chitral Valley is one of the most fascinating, wonderful, beautiful valleys in the north of Pakistan. Now in a bracket there is a word which is given beautiful. It means we are to use beautiful in place of wonderful. You can say beautiful is a synonym of wonderful. Okay, it is a calm, placid place, and peaceful is given in a bracket. It means in place of placid we are to write peaceful. You can say which is a synonym. Okay, now we are to discuss about the thesaurus. What is a thesaurus? Actually, thesaurus is a booklet. You can say it is a manual. Okay, and the similar words are given in the thesaurus. That's why it has been written there. Use a thesaurus to find alternative words. What do you mean about the alternative? Alternative means is similar words to write into these spaces. And now we have read about the example also for more understanding. Now this is a paragraph. As young shepherd was sitting on a hillside eating his lunch and feeling very lonely. Now eating is given in a bracket. It means in place of eating we are to use another word which is a similar word of eating. In the same way there are many words which have been given in the brackets, just like the lonely, large, okay, afraid, shaking. In the same way many words have been given there, and we are to write the similar words in place of these words using a thesaurus. Okay students, now if you don't have a thesaurus you should use a dictionary. Similar words, or you can say the synonyms, also there you can say in the dictionary. Synonyms or similar words are also given in the dictionary. Okay, now in place of thesaurus you can use the dictionary if you don't have the thesaurus. Okay, now you will have to solve this activity on the book. Now the part D, we are to discuss about the part D. Choose the correct option from the following determiners. Now these are the determiners. Just like I had dash friends in Lahore, so I moved there. Now there are the four options which are called the determiners. What is the determiner? Actually determiner modifies a noun, it qualifies a noun. Okay, it has the same function as an adjective to a large extent, you can say. Now from the four option you are to choose the appropriate option. Dash the students pass the exam. No, none of the above. Now you are to choose the appropriate option there. Third one, we have been living here for dash years. Now you can say many, a lot of, much, none of these, none of the above, sorry. These are the options. You are to select the appropriate option. Have you watched dash these movies? Any of, some of, any, none of the above. Okay, in the 5 part, dash people think that the word is getting worse. Lot of, none of, many, none of the above. Now you are to solve this activity yourself using your prior knowledge, and you can say rereading all the paragraphs of the lesson. Now E part, we are to talk about the E part. Work in a pair and write a dialogue between two friends talking about a recently held cricket match. Okay, this is a topic. It means now, according to this topic, you are to write a dialogue in the shape of an assignment. Okay, just like there is an example oral communication skill, just like Ahmed Ali. There are two names have been written. First of all, Ahmed says, "Hi Ali, what are you doing this Sunday?" Ali, "Hello Ahmed, I am free." Okay, in the same way, the conversation is continued. Now, in the same, you can say planner, or you can say in the same way, you will have to write a dialogue between two friends. Okay, and you will have to use just like these columns and also the other signs which have been